So I was editing this video this morning, and I realized that full disclosure, I am a gum chewer. I like to chew gum a lot. I was chewing gum in this video, and I apologize because it is so annoying and so distracting, and I hate it when people do it, and I did it. I also don't like it when people don't comb their hair, but hey, like I said, it's the morning, so sorry.
What was that?
Hi, everybody. What are you doing?
Okay, sorry.
You're gonna put that on there?
Probably.
Yeah, 100%.
Hey, welcome back to the farm. Today we are doing something a little different. It's not a review, sort of, but so we got this thing on Amazon, and we never used it, and we're just going to check it out. So what is this thing?
It's a ham maker kit.
A ham maker kit, but it's like you could use all different types of meat in it. Essentially, it's a deli meat maker, So we're going to put ground turkey in it today, and it came with a recipe.
Recipes in it for different kinds of meat.
So it's got the turkey breast recipe, so we are going to do that.
But we are cutting this one in half because I only got a pound, and this one is for 2 pounds.
But
so let's get started.
So this is a bit of a longer process than we anticipated. We were like, oh, let's just make a quick video of this thing. How hard could it be? And then we actually read the instructions, and this is like a 5-hour process. So but we're going to go through each step, and we're going to do our best to get it to you. So this could be a super big failure, or it could be a super great video. But either way, this is the only content we have this week, so we're going to put it up.
It's going to be a super great video, whether it's a failure or not.
All right, well, let's give it a shot.
Yep. Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, she's opening all the ingredients. So this is the deal here. It's just essentially just a stainless steel can that the top comes off. It's got a little thermometer on there, and in here, just a plate with a spring on it.
Yeah.
It's a plate with a spring on it. So
cool.
Looks like it could not be simpler to use, but we'll see.
So the first thing it says here is that we need to begin by mixing all of the seasonings in a bowl first. So that is what we are going to do.
Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Half teaspoon of thyme. Half teaspoon of paprika.
Hey.
And a half teaspoon of rosemary, baby. And a half teaspoon of salt. It's got like plastic underneath the plastic.
Plastic under the plastic.
And that's how you know it's double fresh. So next is to rub the ground turkey with olive oil.
Oh, right.
Ground turkey.
My bad. Make sure you wash your hands, though.
Yeah.
I kind of do need to. Okay, so we washed our hands. We're clean. We are going to put the 1 pound of ground turkey. It calls for 2. We cut everything in half. So all of the spices were actually supposed to be a teaspoon. So we just put half a teaspoon.
Just cut everything in half.
Just cut everything in half. Math. So we put in our pound of ground turkey. They just got this bougie little contraption.
And this might be the first time it's ever been used.
So if it doesn't work, it's not my fault.
Right.
I'll just push a button.
Just olive oil?
Just olive oil and just coat it.
No.
It's fine.
That's the coolest thing, though.
I guess a full teaspoon. Just a little bit more. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. Sprinkle the seasoning. Blend over the turkey, covering.
Sprinkle the seasoning blend over the turkey, covering all sides.
You're making it really pretty.
You gotta get quality coverage.
Quality.
Quality coverage. Quality. It's quality.
Just dump it in. I know it says sprinkle, but I don't have a whole lot of patience with stuff like cooking. I cook everything on high and then it burns. Here. It looks like a brain. It's kind of cool. It looks like a brain. Look.
Oh, it does look like a brain. Well, it looked more like a brain before she put it back in. Look how long these are.
It's, well, you know what though? When you wash it, one won't slide out, and it's better than this where I don't have any left.
Look, I mean, it goes down to my waist. Like, this is where they need to be.
No, it says who?
Me, per my preference. So the next step is to place the seasoned meat into the
Ham maker.
It just says, yeah, it says ham maker. So into the ham maker. So
position the cover plate with the spring on top, like that. So this part is gonna push down. Go ahead.
all right, we boiling. So
We're going to take this and put this in here. We're going to turn it down to just let it simmer. And it needs to get up to 185.
185. So it's been a couple hours, or an hour and a half, something like that. But the temperature is like 200.
We waited too long.
We waited, well, it's fine. But we have to immediately take it out of the boiling water and put it into cool water. So Holly has filled up a pan with cool water, and now we're going to do it.
Take it out of the hot and put it in the cold.
All right, so we put that in the cool water, and we're gonna let it chill for a little bit. We're gonna go do chores, and then we'll check it out. All right, let's go.
2 hours later.
All right, so it's been a couple hours in the fridge. An hour something. It's
Hour
cold.
and a half.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Open her up. And I don't know if it's got that, you can see it, but it's got a really nice liquid.
Fatty liquid.
It smells good though.
Okay.
All right, drained. You want to do the honors?
No, it's all you. Ooh, hello. I mean, it looks like... Ah.
That was majestic.
Wow. Actually, it looks like the cat's food.
It does look like cat food.
I bet it tastes good though.
I mean, it's like hard.
Oh, it feels like lunch meat. Ooh, it tastes good. Wow. That's like, that would be good. It's like sneaking salami.
Yeah. Look at that. If we had like a slicer.
That would be nice.
Yeah. It's easy to cut. If I cut straight.
Ready?
Yep.
Cheers. Oh my gosh, it's really good.
It's really good.
Wow. Ooh. Can I take some of this home?
Yeah. I think that's a do again.
That's definitely a do again.
That's good.
It might look kind of funny, but it's really, really good. And especially for someone like myself who is on keto right now,
It has a gluten.
and I am 100% gluten free. Papa's eating ice cream while I'm talking about being on a diet.
So the ham maker. This is from a company called Tua. Ooh. But we got this on Amazon, and yeah, this is nice.
That's tasty.
Yeah.
It's good.
That is good.
So, because a lot of times at the store, you don't know what's in your lunch meat, so you can make your own lunch meat, and you know exactly what's in there. So we could start raising turkeys.
This would be a good sausage. I really want it's like salami.
Yeah.
I like salami.
Well, I would say that this is a win.
Big win.
The ham maker. All right, so let's have some sandwiches without bread.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
That is good.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.